Welcome to Master Technical Drawing by Erick Isanga. In this playlist, you will master some of the most important geometrical construction techniques used in technical drawing. You'll learn how to bisect a given line accurately using compass construction. You'll divide a line proportionally using a specified ratio. You'll construct accurate perpendiculars from given points. You'll learn the first method of dropping a perpendicular, then an alternative method for constructing the same perpendicular. You'll accurately construct a parallel line to a given line. And finally, you'll divide a line into equal parts using professional drafting techniques. Together, these 7 constructions form the essential foundation of geometrical construction in technical drawing. Let's begin with Lesson 1. In this lesson, we shall bisect a given line. Using the T-square and a sharp 4H pencil, draw a thin horizontal construction line. Mark the starting point A. Set the compass to 45 mm and transfer this distance from A to locate point B. AB is the given line. Reset the compass to a radius slightly greater than half the length of AB. With A as the center, draw arcs above and below the line. Without changing the compass radius, repeat the construction from B. Mark the upper intersection G and the lower intersection Y. Join G and Y using the aim ruler. The line GY crosses AB at M. M is the midpoint of AB, therefore AM is equal to MB. GY is perpendicular to AB and is the perpendicular bisector of the given line. We shall now use the space below to divide a given line proportionally. In this example, we shall divide a 65 mm line in the ratio 2:3:4. Using the T-square and a sharp 4H pencil, draw a thin horizontal construction line. Mark the starting point and label it A. Set the compass to 65 mm. With A as the center and a radius of 65 mm, cut the horizontal line to locate point B. Add the terms of the ratio. 2 + 3 + 4 gives 9 equal divisions. From A, draw an auxiliary line at a convenient angle below line AB. Set the compass to a convenient radius. Using the same compass opening, mark off 9 equal divisions along the auxiliary line, starting from 0 at A. Join point 9 to B. Place the long edge of the 30-degree set square along line 9B. Place the aim ruler beneath the set square to provide a firm sliding guide. Starting from point 9, count 4 divisions back to point 5. Through point 5, draw a line parallel to 9B to meet AB at R. From point 5, count 3 divisions back to point 2. Through point 2, draw another parallel line to meet AB at K. The line AB is now divided proportionally into the ratio 2:3:4. Finally, outline AB and indicate the proportional divisions 2, 3, and 4. In this construction, we shall erect a perpendicular at a given point P on a straight line. Using the T-square and a sharp 4H pencil, draw a thin horizontal construction line. Mark point A. Mark point P 20 mm from A and point B 30 mm from P. With P as the center and a convenient radius, draw an arc cutting the line at F. With the same radius and F as the center, draw an arc cutting the first arc at H. With the same radius and H as the center, draw an arc cutting the arc at T. With the same radius and T as the center, draw an arc cutting the arc at Z. Using the aim ruler, join P to Z and extend it to D. DP is the required perpendicular. Finally, outline the given line AB and the perpendicular DP, and mark the right angle at P. A perpendicular has now been constructed at the given point P on the straight line. We continue the geometrical construction series on a new drawing sheet. The straight line AB and the given point P have already been constructed. We shall now drop a perpendicular from point P to the straight line AB. With P as the center, draw an arc to cut the line at X and M. With X as the center, using a radius greater than half of XM, draw a thin arc below the line. With M as the center and the same radius, draw a second arc to intersect the previous arc at H. Join H to P. The line intersects AB at the point W. Outline the perpendicular PW and the line AB, and mark the right angle at W. PW is the required perpendicular from P onto AB. The perpendicular PW has been dropped from the given point P to the straight line AB. Method 1 is complete. We shall now construct Method 2 on the same drawing sheet directly below it. The baseline AB and the given point P have already been constructed. We shall now construct a perpendicular at the given point using Method 2. Using the aim ruler, draw a thin construction line from P at a convenient angle, meeting the baseline at S. With P as the center and a radius greater than half of PS, draw arcs on both sides of the line PS. With the same radius and S as the center, draw arcs to cut the previous arcs at D and F. Join D and F. This line bisects PS at the point O. With O as the center and radius OP, swing an arc to cut the baseline AB at V. Join P to V. This is the required perpendicular. Outline the baseline AB and the perpendicular PV, and mark the right angle at V. The perpendicular PV has been constructed at the given point by Method 2. Method 1 and Method 2 are complete. We shall now construct a line parallel to a given line in the upper right quadrant. Using the T-square, draw a horizontal straight line. This is the given line XY. Mark the line XY 90 mm long. Mark 2 points, R near X and T near Y. With the T-square and the 60-degree set square, draw a perpendicular at R. In the same way, draw a perpendicular at T. With centers R and T and a radius equal to the required distance, draw arcs cutting the perpendiculars at Q and U. Draw a straight line passing through Q and U. Outline the parallel line QU and the given line XY. QU is parallel to XY. The line QU has been drawn parallel to the given line XY. We shall now divide a given line into 9 equal parts. Using the T-square, draw a horizontal line. Mark point A. With the compass set to 65 mm and centered at A, draw an arc to cut the line at B. From point A, draw an auxiliary line at a convenient angle below AB. Along the auxiliary line, step off 9 equal divisions and number them 0 to 9. Then join point 9 to B. Place the long edge of the set square along line 9B and lay the aim ruler beneath its short edge. Holding the ruler still, slide the set square and draw parallels through points 8 to 1, cutting AB into equal parts. Outline the line AB. Line AB is now divided into 9 equal parts.